Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now doing so will allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. Now unfortunately, I will just say this right away. By doing so, in order to remove a screen lock, most likely your device will become locked, and what that means is when the reset is finished and you're going through the setup process, you will be forced to verify one of the two things, either the screen lock or the Google account. But that will only happen if your device is logged into Google account and has a screen lock, which that's probably majority of the people. So anyway, let's just get straight to it. I'm gonna unlock the device and you can see I do have a pattern, and I'm gonna progress from here as though I don't know it. So number one, I'm gonna hold my power button volume up to be more precise. There we go. Select power off. And once the device turns off, you wanna hold power key and volume up again. Now I'm doing so, I'm also gonna mention that I will be also making a guide on how you can remove that kind of protection, so if you're interested in that, stay tuned. And going back to this, once you see the Mi logo, you want to let go of the power button. If you hold it for too long, the device will turn off again and start booting back up once more. So something to keep in mind. Now once you have booted into this mode, using volume keys, you want to select wipe data, confirm it with power button, then wipe all data, confirm. As you can see, it gives us data wipe successfully. So we're going to press power button, power, and this will now reboot the device and continue the process in the background. This will probably take a couple minutes to finish up, so just be patient, but once it's finished, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, like I mentioned before, if your device becomes locked, I'll be making in the next video a guide on how you can completely bypass this and then remove it altogether. So if that is something that you're interested in, just stay tuned. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.